We just breathe into our practice, just allowing a moment of light in, allowing ourselves to acknowledge the sacred in this week. That on one level, this week could seem like any other week. And on another level, this is the week of our awakening. So we take 3 deep breaths as we enter this sacred meditation space. Inhaling and exhaling. Allowing ourselves to be fully present. To the collective walk. We are walking right now. To the internal and individual experience of what it is to be you right now. On the highest level, witnessing emerges in the awakened state of consciousness internally. That witnessing that others do for us, where they say, I see you and I'm with you. Begins to be experienced through grace internally as the higher self, the centered self. That self within acknowledges the journey, sees, stands in the midst of any experience of invalidation or not being heard or feeling discredited or betrayed. And it says, fear not, I'm here. I am with you and I am for you. So we invite in the power of witnessing, acknowledging it in the world around us, taking a moment right here and right now to be grateful for those who see us, those who really listen, those who stand with us in the midst of trials, tribulations, or suffering, discord. And then we ask for a mighty expansion within us. That we may develop and presence that friend within that can sift through the human condition, sift through the gaslighting, sift through the discord. And stand in truth. Bring in clarity, strength, love. the love that heals, the love that sets us free. So we breathe in and we breathe out. We have a witness. We are seen. We are acknowledged. Validated. There is a great emptying of anything unlike this love and this peace. We breathe into the hero's journey, the hero's walk, acknowledging the resources available in us, to us, through us, and as us. And so it is. Namaste.